Hey guys, today Realme 3 Pro has been launched and we know everything about it. So I want to tell you how it differs from Redmi Note 7 Pro and is it worth buying. Both the smartphones will come with almost similar style design. Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus dot-notch display and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well as on the back with a glass sandwich design. On the other hand, Realme 3 Pro will also come with 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a plastic body. The company has claimed that the smartphone will come with a high-quality plastic body and on the front it will also come with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Plastic is more durable but the glass offers a more premium finish, taking Redmi a leg up in this game. The next thing that people look for is the cameras. So the Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a rear dual camera setup. The smartphone has the much popular Sony IMX586 48MP sensor as its primary shooter. In comparison, Realme 3 Pro comes with the Sony IMX519 sensor, which is capable of taking Ultra HD 64MP photos. It's the same imaging sensor found in OnePlus 6T. Both the camera sensors provide great output, but to be confirmed about the performance, you have to wait. The most important aspect of the smartphone is the processor. Both of these feature a very powerful mid-range processor. The Redmi Note 7 Pro has Snapdragon 675 whereas the Realme 3 Pro has Snapdragon 710. On CPU front, the Redmi takes a lead with Cryo 460 as opposed to GPU where it falls behind. So if your priority is playing game, then look no further, go with Realme. But if you want to have a higher processing power, then go with Redmi. Recently, Realme CEO compared Realme 3 Pro with Redmi Note 7 Pro in terms of Fortnite support. The Realme smartphone was able to run the game out of the box, while Note 7 Pro showed an error message. Just so you know, Realme comes with Adreno 616 GPU and the Redmi comes with Adreno 612 GPU. The point of concern for Redmi is the software. To be precise, it's the ads in MIUI. Redmi Note 7 Pro runs on MIUI 10 based on Android Pie, while Realme 3 Pro runs with Color OS 6 based on Android 9 Pie. It's your preference what you'd like to try, both hold some interesting feature in them. Coming to battery, the Realme 3 Pro will come with 4045 mAh 20W VOOC 3.0 technology or the VOOC 3.0 charging technology itself. Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery with support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. But Redmi Note 7 Pro does not provide a fast charger in the box. But the Realme includes the VOOC charging brick in the box, which is really a good thing. Other than that, the points which you have to consider is Realme 3 Pro has a dual SIM slot with a dedicated microSD card slot, whereas you don't find that in Redmi Note 7 Pro. The bottom features the headphone jack and the micro USB port in Realme 3 Pro. So micro USB on Realme 3 Pro is a tad bit disappointing. And this is not found in Redmi Note 7 Pro, but the inclusion of VOOC charging will compensate not having USB Type-C. Ultimately, the pricing. The Redmi Note 7 Pro starts at Rs 13,999 in India and Realme has been placing its upcoming smartphone against the Redmi flagship, so the Realme 3 Pro has priced as you expected 13,999 for 4 plus 64 gigs memory configuration. So you are getting all this superb feature like VOOC charging, better gaming software and hardware, capable cameras and a massive battery, and for the price it gives competition to Redmi Note 7 Pro. And to finish it up, we have Antutu benchmarks. So if you like the video, don't stare, hit on the like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Peace out.